Hello, I'm Lisa Graf from Graf's Garden Shop, and I'm here to talk to you about cutting back and refreshing your porch pots and hanging baskets for the rest of the summer. About this time of the year, right after the 4th of July, a lot of our hanging baskets will look a little overgrown and straggly. You can see this one here that I picked out is quite scraggly. Some of them you can just trim a little bit, and you can use a pruners or scissors, and you can just go in and kind of trim a few of the branches here and there. But if your plant is really like this one, really leggy and not as nice, I know it's going to pain you because you're going to cut a lot of the flowers off and it's going to look a little rough at first. But once you do, this plant will start to regrow and it will be beautiful clear into late fall. So it's worth it because for a couple weeks it'll look a little sad and then it will look beautiful the rest of the season. So you're just going to go in right along the edge of the pot and trim all these long branches off all the way around. And just keep going with it. And then also some of the top, because see, these tops get kind of straggly and they look kind of flat. But everywhere where you trim, and I can show you in just a minute on another basket, but everywhere that you trim, what you'll see is that you'll get new growth. So everywhere you trim, you're going to have little branches coming out and new growth, and it'll just flush out and be beautiful all over again. And even though you don't really have to deadhead the super petunias, this basket in particular has a lot of dead buds down in and dead leaves down in the heart of it. So I just clean that up a little bit. I wouldn't clean every one, but just a little bit. So see, again, another long straggly one from the middle, just cut that off. So when it branches, it'll mound out beautifully and have a nice mound shape. I know it's painful to watch me do this, and some people just can't cut their plants. But if you do, it will reward you with beautiful new growth, and your plant will look so nice for the rest of the season. I'm going to stop there, but I would finish cutting all the rest of that plus some of the top and cleaning it up just a little bit. And then I would give it a little bit of fertilizer. You could either give it the blossom booster, or if they're all petunias, we actually have a petunia food that has iron in it that works very well for petunias. And I want to show you, I have a hanging basket here that we cut back a couple of weeks ago. This is a calibrachoa, not a petunia, but similar. And we cut them way back in the greenhouse a couple of weeks ago. And look how beautiful. It's flushed out, all that nice branching in the center. And then it's just going to continue to grow over the edge and up a little higher. And it will look beautiful clear into the late fall. You know, if you are afraid to do this or not sure what to do, just stop in and talk to us, and we'll be glad to show you and demonstrate for you as well. Okay?